This is a movie.
Of epic proportions.
Okay.
Introducing Forrest, the hickory smoked ham, and Josh, the buttermilk salad dressing.
Adam Thomas, a.k.a. Jumper.
Tyler
Stenson,
with the
a.k.a. Hoobra.
with the afro is the horseradish cheese. Dominic, a.k.a. Dark Slave, the strawberry jam. El Brad, a.k.a. Smokeblade, the hot sauce butter. And last but not least, Klondike, the chicken o'doom.
Ready?
This is a movie of doom, and it's called Fridge Friends. For the next maybe 8 minutes, you will now see this movie. And then once you watch it, you will not be able to get that rest of that time back for the rest of your life, so prepare to lose time. I was just there sitting in my house. La la la, World of Warcraft. La 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 la. Hi there. Ah! Oh, Josh, what are you doing?
I came, and I saw your house, and I decided to say hi.
Hi. We should go make a fire and name it Mango.
Let me get the fire up top of your house.
Fire. Josh, don't catch your hair on
All
fire.
your fault!
Don't do it. Don't do it. No.
Oh, I got a call from Dominic, the short dude. Yo, what's crackin'?
Dude, why aren't you on Xbox Live?
I was chilling at the fat piece of ham's house.
Well, will you be out soon?
Oh, I wish I wasn't after my wiener. What? Hi. Oh, sorry. Well, you see, I got grounded again. Again. Yes, again.
Well, get on soon.
Oh,
Hangs up.
well. I hear a lawnmower. Okay, I'll be on soon. Bye.
Mango's a good fire. Let's throw stuff in it.
Go, Jumper. Beep, 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 bleep.
Beep, beep.
Bleepin',
Beep,
bleep,
beep.
bleep, bleep.
Bleeping hoorah, bleeping
Bleeping.
crashing,
Bleeping.
bleeping, bleepity bleep.
Betrayal.
Ah, Mango, I wish you never died.
Mango, we love you. Ah!
Yo, guys, what are you doing?
What to kill you?
I just walked for 45 minutes to get over here, and I brought a hubcap with me.
Like OMG.
You guys did make a good fire. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Hola, senor.
Brad, how did you
Your mustache.
get here?
I grew a mustache. Look at it. Big, fluffy. Okay, you're creeping me out.
Mustache. Okay then. Anyway, so yeah, Mango's pretty awesome.
And
Yeah.
talking about the talking the around the cooler and the talking the.
What's good? Hi guys. Why is everyone just?
Who invited you?
I have an
Megan,
afro.
did he trick you into inviting you again?
Afro.
We know. It's fuzzy. Don't screw the do. We know.
It's a half-row today. Leave me alone. He fired.
I'll do that.
I don't know how everyone got here, but you know what we should do? We should make a movie. Yeah, we should make a movie.
A movie. I heart
You
movies.
guys, Klondike. I didn't know you lived here. I thought you were a state away. Well, now I'm not.
Hi, Crunchy. Klondike, how old are you? I have AIDS. No, what? No, he helps me every single day. He said that one time.
Josh, stick to the script.
What? Alright.
There's no script. Brad, you fell over. Brad's unconscious. Quick, throw him in the fire.
Hot. This was the day Brad laid an egg.
I laid an egg.
The end!
Not yet.
Oh,
Is yet to come.
He broke the egg!
Oh.
You broke the egg. What do you have to say for yourself, Brad? I'd like to thank my parents. And... Lightfoot.
Alright, well, fire is good.
Fire.
Yeah.
Yay.
Mango.
Burn.
No.
Die, my
Ah, that's a fire. Oh no, I got turbo jet boosters. So Dominic flew away. We must now go on a quest to find him. Josh flew away. And Brad. We gotta go find a quest. Yeah, let's go on a quest.
Boom, Detroit houses.
To be continued.
And in the end, Bacon is left alone.
Yeah, I win.
Farmland, take a smoke hand, select. The end.
To be continued.